guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm just in my comfy tee and apron today, and we're making a quick, cheesy, super satisfying sandwich you can whip up anytime. Heat a pan on medium heat. No oil needed, we've already got butter doing the magic. Flip the bread over. On the unbuttered side, spread a little mayo or sauce for extra flavor. Totally optional, but so worth it. Start by grabbing your ingredients: bread, butter, cheese, and any extras you like. Keep everything close so cooking feels fun and stress-free. Place the sandwich butter side down. Let it cook for about 2-3 minutes until the bottom is golden brown. Now add the cheese. I like using 2 slices so it gets extra melty. You can also add tomatoes, onions, or cooked chicken if you want. Remove the sandwich from the pan and let it rest for 30 seconds. This helps the cheese set and makes slicing easier. Cut it in half, enjoy that cheesy pull, and that's it. If you enjoyed this easy sandwich recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enjoy.